let's discuss cleansing. It is actually the most important step in your skincare routine, but you can do so much wrong. So today I will give you a step-by-step guide on what to really consider when it comes to cleansing, how to do it properly, how to not overdo it, etc. And for everyone who is new to this channel, I'm Anastasia, the founder of All You Can Face. I'm passionate about teaching people how to exercise their facial muscles and also teach you how to use the best skincare, what ingredients to use, how to use certain hacks in your daily life to become the best version of yourself and glow up. And without further ado, let's get into cleansers. As you can see, I definitely have quite a few myself. But first things first, let's discuss why you should not over cleanse your face. While you probably hear everywhere you should clean your face, this is the most important step in your skincare routine, but overwashing your face can actually backfire and really can do more damage than good to your skin. If you over cleanse your face with soaps, especially the stuff which is foamy, you strip your skin from your natural oils, which in a certain degree we want a little bit, but not too much, because those oils are very precious. They are literally the protecting barrier between the outside world and your skin. And if you wash everything away, you basically keep your skin naked, and then your skin is very prone to get all the pollution, all the gunk bacteria which is flowing around the air or maybe touching your face into the skin, and then you get irritation, you get pimples, you get everything you do not want, and therefore you need to be really, really careful with over washing your skin. Also, the temperature of the water is obviously very, very important when it comes to cleansing. So if you are washing your face, make sure to use really lukewarm water, not too cold, not too hot, because again, too hot water can actually strip your skin of your natural and precious oils, and too cold can give you actually a shock as well and almost work as an astringent to your face. So while people love the ice bucket in your face, it's not necessarily for everyone, because it can give you a shock to your skin and also to your nervous system. With that being said, let's get into the morning and evening cleansing routines, which I would recommend to have a gorgeous skin and also have a best base for everything else which follows. And this again depends on your skin type. Let's discuss first, do you have dry skin, normal skin, oily skin, irritated skin? So what is your skin when you're waking up? If you tend to have dry skin, generally every skin is producing your natural sebum during the night, and it's also there to protect you, as I already mentioned, so it's very, very important. So if you are prone to dry skin and you kind of like have some oil production on your face, you do not want to strip it again because your skin is already prone to dryness. You can actually skip cleansing and go right into your water. You can do that, or you can go into with a serum, with a moisturizer, and don't forget SPF. And if you have normal skin, you can use a very gentle cleanser. For example, like this one from CeraVe. There are tons of others out there. For example, the pH Balancing Face Wash by Frownies. This is a new one. And you can start your day with that. And that, I would also say, goes for any other skin type. If you have oily skin, you can do that. So go in the morning and use a really pH balancing gentle cleanser, because you do not want to strip your skin of your precious oils which accumulated overnight, but you want to maybe cleanse off some gunk which accumulated from your pillow or something else if you're tending to have breakouts or if you have oily skin. So this is a really good idea. Now let's get into the evening routine, and this is a little bit more intricate because we do want to prep the skin for everything we want to put on top on our skin, and also to work our skin the hardest for all upcoming ingredients, whether you use active ingredients, whether you use a moisturizer, and also prep your skin for the night so it can breathe properly. It can do all its good stuff, because during the night your skin really regenerates, and it's very important to have a really good clean skin without overdoing it. For that, I absolutely recommend you to do double cleansing. It doesn't matter what kind of skin type you have. If you have sunscreen on your face, you should absolutely use a double cleansing method. And for that, you can use an oil-based cleanser. I love these both. I'm currently using them. This, for example, from Decleor, has micellar in it. So it's basically water encapsulated with oil, and it really gets rid of all the gunk. And this is also an amazing one by Niche Beauty Lab, and it's an oil-based cleanser, so it's perfect for the first step of your skin cleansing routine in the evening. So what you do is actually you pump a couple of pumps. You pump a couple of pumps into your hand, you distribute it and you really go in onto your dry face. So you do not want to wet your face. You really want to get in with your cleansed hands and your oil cleanser and really distribute it and massage everything in. You will feel how all the particles, how all your makeup, all your sunscreen will slowly but surely dissolve. You can also use that step to give yourself a precious facial massage. And then once you feel like everything is like dissolved, everything is already like a little bit like loose, so to speak, from your skin, you can get in and wash it off. And then as a second step, depending on the day, you can either use an exfoliating cleanser, so it has maybe a BHA or AHA in it, gives you like a little bit of also a polish for your skin, so it basically exfoliates your skin. You should not overdo that. That also falls into the category of overwashing. You should exfoliate 2 times per week maximum. If you are more on the dry side, actually do it once a week. But exfoliation is very important because it gives you a smooth finish and layer to use all the additional products on top. And for that, I recommend the SA cleanser from CeraVe. There are lots of other cleansing methods out there. You can also just go in with your gentle cleanser right after. And this is basically that. You can also use a foaming cleanser, which I also really like. This is then your basic cleansing method for the morning and night. I hope this already helps you a lot in terms of what to use and how to understand your own skin type and how to progress with cleansing. And then I have a little hack. Let's discuss actually also, should you use water with water-soluble cleansers, except the oil-based cleansers, or should you put them on dry skin? There is like this thing going viral right now on TikTok where you put a foaming cleanser, which looks like this, onto dry skin and disperse it and leave it on. And this actually makes your active ingredients in that cleanser work a little bit harder, strip everything off, and then you can wash it off. I feel also my skin is really like squeaky clean afterwards, which you not necessarily want, but it's an amazing method to basically really cleanse your skin. I would say you should not overdo it, but it really is the first step to give you this glass skin look. So try it out and let me know how it goes. And for everyone who is on the dry side, I would really not do that. Be really gentle with your cleansing method. Look into hydrating cleansers with humectant ingredients as well. And with that being said, I hope this was really helpful to understand the cleansing of our faces. If you want to learn more about also facial exercises and massages, which is amazing also to really get cleansed and detoxified from the inside out, because you enhance lymphatic drainage, which basically gives you this really glow from the inside out, then check out allyoucanface.com to learn more about that topic. And with that being said, I wish you a wonderful rest of your day. See you then. Mwah.